To split a part within SolidWorks, we can use a sketch or a surface. We want to create a separate lid and body part for this heat-resistant flask, so we'll use the Convert Entities tool to sketch the line of where we want to split it. On the Direct Editing tab, we'll activate the Split command. Selecting Cut Part separates the body by the intersecting active sketch. We can then select which bodies will be affected by the cut. This is particularly important when we are splitting parts which are already made of multiple bodies. Double-clicking on None allows us to name the new bodies and save them out as new parts. This is as well as splitting within the current part. Leaving the files as None will still split the part, but won't save out the bodies to new parts. The Move Copy Body tool lets us move the newly split bodies, and we can continue working on the created faces towards completing our model.